Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine and doing wonders at your home. So actually this is second time recording this video because first video after recording got deleted somehow. Okay, fine. So previous video we have discussed I think irrigation and we have discussed all the previous steps in farming. Now today we are going to discuss another important technique, that is protection from weeds. So basically what are weeds and all related things we will discuss in this video. So let me share my screen and I will teach you. Okay. So let's go to Microsoft whiteboard. I know it looks like blackboard. Okay, you want whiteboard? I will change the color. One second. Mm, format background. Fine. Is it okay? Fine. Tell me you like black or white. Okay. So accordingly, I will do. Fine. So let's start. Yeah. So see, for example, imagine there's a farmland. There's a farmland. Okay, and before sowing the seed, naturally there will be some grasses already growing in the farm, isn't it? There will be some grasses or some unnecessary plants already growing on the farm, right? So what the farmers will do, the farmers will remove all these unnecessary plants, isn't it? Isn't it? Now these unnecessary plants are nothing but these are called as weeds. These unnecessary plants which the farmer don't want to grow in the farm are called weeds. Understood? So so these are weeds. Okay. So the farmers needs to remove these weeds. Now I will tell you why the farmers needs to remove the weeds. Okay. So one second. Let me remove all these things. Come on. Get you. Why it's not getting removed? Ah. And cool down. Okay. So this is a farmland. Okay. So say for example, after burying the seed which the farmer wants, okay, the crop will come out, isn't it? One crop came out from here, another seed is here, so another crop came out. Fine. Another seed here, so another crop came out from here. Fine. Definitely they also will be having root, isn't it? They also will be having root with them. So these are the crops. But okay, I told you that before starting the farming, weeds are removed, right? Now, after sowing and after providing water, irrigation, manures, and fertilizer, there will be some unnecessary plants growing again in between. These plants are unnecessary plants which farmers don't want. Now, if they grow, what is the problem if they grow? See, they also have root, isn't it? Just like our crop, they also will have root. And what happens, they also will absorb the nutrients from the soil which which our crop would have absorbed. So instead of our crops, these unnecessary plants will absorb the nutrients. And what will happen, the weeds will grow nicely healthy. So our crops will not grow healthy, competition will be there more. So that's why removing this unnecessary weeds is very much essential. That is one point. Due to competition, because of the competition, the our crop will not grow healthy, and weeds might grow healthy. They are wild varieties, so that's why. So removing them is very important. Second case is that, okay, not only nutrients, they also what to say, make the what soil less, what to say, less porous to water. The water retaining capacity of the soil decreases. Why? Because these weeds now have very enormous absorption power. They absorb water a lot. So what happens here, our plants, even we are providing irrigation, water will not be absorbed properly by our crops. Instead, these weeds will be absorbing water more. Okay, fine. That is second case. Third case is that while harvesting there's a problem. See, there are some weeds which have spikes in their stem. There are some weeds which have thorns, spikes on their stem. While harvesting means removing the crop from the farm, okay, That is a process called harvesting, which we will discuss in the coming class. While harvesting, the farmers might get no here might get cut with these spikes or thorns of the weeds, and there are some weeds which are poisonous, so it can lead to death of the farmers, yeah, or some other complication to the farmers. Even it can be a problem with towards the animals, because a lot of farmers they use bull, cow, buffalo and all, right? So that's why it's again a problem. Understood? So removing weeds is very much important for the farmers. Now, how it is removed? The process of removal of weeds from the farmlands called weeding. The process of removal of weeds from the farmland is called weeding. Okay. So weeding is the process of removal of plants from the farmland. Fine. Now I'll remove this one second. I'll erase everything. Okay. Clear. So that is called weeding. Now weeding can be done with hoe, which we already discussed, right? Hoe, an agricultural implement, even plow, even plow, and even with seed drill. There's an agriculture implement called seed drill. Okay, with the help of hoe, plow, and seed drill, also the unnecessary plants, that is weeds, can be removed from the farmland. Okay, fine. Now, yeah. Now another thing is weedicide. Now weedicide are nothing but the chemicals. Weedicide are nothing but chemicals. For example, 2,4-D. Now 2,4-D is a weedicide. Example for weedicide. These weedicide, this 2,4-D, they are actually obtained in bottles. Okay, they're written like weedicide. Okay, what the farmers will do, they will mix this chemical in a big bucket, and they'll mix with water. And what they will do, they will use some sprayer or sprinkler, and they will spray all these things to the farmland. Yeah, they will spray on the crops also and on the weeds also. So what will happen, these weedicides are designed in a such way that they will kill only weeds. They will not damage the crops. They're designed in such way, but it is harmful to the farmers. So farmers will use mask and everything, protective gears, and then only the farmer will do weedicide. Okay, so that's called weedicide. There's then there's another chemical called pesticide. There's another chemicals called pesticide. Now pesticides are those chemicals, again chemicals, which can be used on the farmland to kill pest. What a pest? To kill pest, pesticides can be used. The pesticides are chemicals which are used to kill pest. Now, what a pest? See, let me erase the entire board. The pests are nothing but small insects which feed on the crop. Small insects which feed on the agricultural farm. I mean, farm land. They actually, pests no does not come in one or two in number. Naturally, of course, pests will be there in the farmland, but sometimes the pest comes in thousands. It's enormous in number. They comes in together. That time the farmers cannot do anything to protect the crop, so they will spray this pesticide already on the farmland, I mean the crops. What happens, this pest when it comes, they will fly away because of the smell and the chemicals there in the pest. So actually, after all spraying pesticide and this weedicide, actually same thing what we are consuming. So whatever products, vegetables you're buying from the market, wash it thoroughly, then use it, because these contain chemicals. See, that's why when these chemicals, see, if you go to market, if you might have seen a lot of bunches of tomatoes and all. If you see some tomatoes, they will be very clean, very it will look very nice. Okay, and very fresh. Such tomatoes are sprayed with pesticide and insecticide thoroughly, that's why it is staying like that. But at this other side, if you see a small tomatoes with poor farmers actually are growing without using pesticide and what is it, weedicide, and it will be having house flies and all over it. That is actually healthy. if you buy that and clean it properly in water, that is healthy actually, instead of this looking good tomatoes, whatever, good looking tomatoes, whatever. So that thing. Okay. So anyway, so that's called weedicide and pesticide. Okay, let me erase this. Now my bad luck. So yeah, hope you understood the process of weeding and process of pesticide and weedicide, and process of weeding basically. Okay, so that's today's topic. So let's now question time. Okay, question number one. Give me an example for weedicide. Give me an example of weedicide. Question number two. Why is it necessary to remove the weeds from the farmland? Why is it necessary to remove weeds from the farmland? Question number three. What are pesticides? What are pesticides? Question number four. Define. No. I will come fifth question. Question number four. During harvesting, what all damages can weeds do to the farmers? During harvesting, what all damages weeds can do to the farmers? Last question, which is from the textbook. Define weeding. Define weeding. Okay, easy. Actually, I'm recording the second time I told you, so that's why I'm a little bit angry already. So I hope the video was okay. So Anurag signing out. So be happy, stay safe.